This is how you calculate your targets. I took my best 3 months last year in real estate, and I took the average. Our average came out to 153,000. That's my average. That is my low target, okay? You guys are gonna find something funny about this. This is like gonna blow your fucking minds. So my low target is 153,000, right? That's the average from my best 3 months last year. I'm repeating myself because I wanted to sink in. We just closed on a deal last week. Was that our first deal, Natalie, or our second deal of the month? Second deal, right? It was our second deal. Can you tell them how much that deal was for?
It was $153,000 with some hundred.
Isn't that insane? That the deal was the exact amount of
my first target, of a minimum target.
There's two things that come to mind by me experiencing this. Number one, it's God giving me a huge kiss on the mouth, right? It's God saying, I'm listening to you and I'm with you. And number two, it's intentionality. We are being so detailed and so intentional that it's just happening. We didn't plan on making our target 153,000 because of that deal. I didn't even know I was going to net 153. I thought I was going to net 180, 190, but after paying all the fees, we ended up at 153, the exact amount of my low target. Isn't that insane? The second target that you're going to set for yourself is the best month that you had last year. That's your SMIT target. That's the target that you should always be shooting for. My best month last month was 190,000. So that's my low target. So my team knows that we're shooting for 190. That's what we're shooting for. And then our high target is 20% on top of that, which is 240,000. So basically we got 153, 190, and 240. The way it works is you cannot fall below your low target. I tell Natalie, if I fall below my low target in collections, I'm failing you as a husband and as a man, okay? If you talk to yourself like that, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Jose, what's been your best month, bro? Talk to me.
I think I made 100,000 in a month.
That's been your best month.
Yeah, but I just been in business like for 16 months.
Okay. So what I want you to do, Jose, is I want you to take all of last year and I want you to take your best 3 months. You're going to add it and then you're going to divide it by 3. And that number that you get is your low target every single month. You cannot generate less than that. You cannot. You tell yourself when you wake up in the morning and you brush your teeth, you say, I cannot make less than this much this month. And you walk around and you go to lunch and you eat a fucking tuna sandwich and you say, I cannot make less than this much. That's what I do. I'm fucking nuts, guys. I wake up in the morning walking around my house and my wife's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm talking to myself. I'm going to make 2 million this month. Like, I'm going to make 2 million. I cannot make less than 2 million. I cannot. I'm like a fucking crazy man. So what happens is that you start believing yourself and you start figuring out ways to hit your target.